Hi friends, I'm Artemakis Artemiou, AI and Data Architect. Today, we'll be discussing about the power of explainability in AI leadership. Artificial intelligence today isn't judged by how many parameters it has or how fast it can crunch data. Complexity alone doesn't impress. What truly matters is whether leaders, regulators, and customers can understand and trust it. Explainability is the foundation that transforms AI from a technical system into a leadership tool. Leadership is about judgment, and judgment depends on clarity. When an AI system makes a recommendation, executives cannot take it on faith. They need to know why. Techniques like feature attribution or scenario testing show the reasoning behind a model's output. That's what builds trust, accelerates adoption, and secures accountability. Imagine a model predicting a sudden shift in customer behavior. If all you have is the prediction, you are gambling. But if you can show which features, spending habits, transaction timing, demographic signals drove that outcome, the insight becomes actionable. Transparency turns a number into a strategy. That's the real power of explainable AI. Most organizations keep AI in the corner, like complex black boxes producing outputs. But methods like sharp values or interpretable models make it possible to elevate AI to the strategic level. Suddenly, it's not just a tool, it's a guide for direction. Boards can question it, regulators can accept it, and teams can align behind it. That's when AI stops being technical and starts being transformational. The future of AI leadership will be defined by transparency. In competitive environments, trust is the rarest currency. Organizations that embrace explainability will lead because they can justify their AI-driven decisions to every stakeholder, whether it's customers, partners, or regulators. On the other hand, organizations who ignore explainability will simply follow. To wrap up, explainability is what transforms AI from a technical tool into a force for leadership. Transparency is what builds trust and confidence. That trust is what allows AI to shape strategy and authority. And ultimately, the future belongs to the leaders who master explainability. This is where technology and leadership meet. Thank you for watching this lecture. I hope you found the subject as exciting and thought-provoking as I did. If you'd like more insights on AI in data, digital transformation, and other tech trends, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care, and I'll see you next time.